welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Oh, I need a nap. I didn't sleep well. Just, eh. Last night I prepared veggie Thai red curry over brown rice, the baked method. I give it a 3. Lots of vegetables. This is not a complaint about the vegetables. Just a lot of vegetables. The sauce was, I mean, I even tried to, kick it up a little bit. I did, It's all right. 3. But I will post it up. I will. Have fun with it. You make it better. Tonight, I am doing Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes. I've done sloppy joes in the past, but my version. This one caught my eye about a week or so ago. Let's get to it. It's a simple dish tonight. Well, simple for hardware. Good old saute pan. That's it. Ground beef, again, because it's only me, I halved this recipe, so a half pound of ground beef. This is about like an 80 or 75. A little bit of butter, diced onion, diced bell pepper, diced baby bella mushrooms, sliced provolone cheese, kosher salt, black pepper, Lee and Perrins Worcestershire, Heinz tomatoes, ketchup, some beef stock, a little bit of cornstarch, and it calls for hamburger buns, but you know me. If you know me, I always use bread for sloppy joe, so this is a brioche style bread. So here are the goodies for tonight's Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes. Like I said, I've actually been looking forward to this one. Everything's diced, so a little more prep, a little more work in the prep. If you want to call it work, remember, I call prep therapy. And I always do mine early in the day to get it done. That way I do that for 2 reasons. The main reason is so it breaks up the preparing of a meal. You get your prep done, take some time off, or go back to work, or whatever. And in the summer, it beats the heat. So, on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.